Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix messages is not responding error on your Android phone. So as you can see guys, same error I also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this. Okay. So when you are facing this kind of problem, first you need to close your app. Okay, after closing, restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the messaging app. Hopefully this simple method will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to update the messages app on your phone. To update the app, open the Play Store and search your default messaging app. So if you are not using, or if you are using any third-party messaging app on your phone, just you need to uninstall that application from your phone. You need to install this Google messaging app on your phone. So this messaging app will work fine in any smartphone. Just install it. If you have pre-installed Google messaging app, just you need to update the app. Just tap on update, it will start updating. After updating, this will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to check your phone internal storage. Okay, if your phone internal storage is not free, at that time guys, you can face this kind of irritating problem error on your phone. Not only for messaging app, you can face this type of error message for your another apps. Okay, just free up your internal storage, it will fix your problem. So in case your internal storage is free already, now you are facing this kind of problem, you can try the next method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this, go to apps and notification. In some phone you can get only apps option, in some phone you can get application manager. Just open it. Okay, from here you need to find out the messages application like this and go to storage. From here you need to clear the caches. Okay, after clearing the caches, check your app is working fine or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to clear your messaging app storage. So remember one thing guys, before clearing the storage, so it may lose your some important messages and it will reset your all settings for your messages. Okay, so do it on your own risk. If your problem was not solving, you can try this method. Okay, after doing this guys, one more time you need to restart your phone. After restarting, open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.